Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, so today I am going to start sum number 19.1 from the exercise 8.3. For the previous video, please check the description box. So here in sum number 19.1, cos 3x cos 5x. Okay, now we know the formula, that is cos A cos B. To cos A cos B, the formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. इसका मतलब यही फॉर्मूला मुझे यहाँ पर यूज़ करना होगा. अब यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला में 2 दिया हुआ है बट यहाँ पर 2 नहीं है, सो 2 एडजस्ट करना होगा. 1/2 इंटू 2 cos 3x cos 5x. इसका मतलब हो गया 2 cos A cos B, 5x as A and 3x as B. So cos A plus B, 5 plus 3 8x, then cos A minus B, 5 minus 3 2x. So now you can separate this one, half cos 8x dx plus half cos 2x dx. 8x का फॉर्मूला होता है sin 8x by 8 और 2x का फॉर्मूला sin 2x by 2. So finally sin 8x by 16 plus sin 2x by 4 plus c. Next one, sum number 19.2. Sum number 19.2 is same as sum number 19.1. Here sin 4x sin 8x. So here you can apply this formula, 2 sin A sin B, that means cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So adjust half into 2 sin 8x 4, so 8x equal to A and B equal to 4x. Next, sum number 19.3. Integration sin 4x cos 3x. So here you can apply this formula, 2 sin A cos B. So half into 2, then sin 4x cos 3x. According to the formula, it will be sin A plus B. So sin 4x plus 3x sin 7x. Then sin A minus B, 4x minus 3x sin x. Now separate this one, half sin 7x dx, half sin x dx. 7x का formula minus cos 7x by 7 and here sin x minus cos x. So cos 7x minus 7 into 14, here also minus cos x by 2 plus c. 19.4 as same as sum number 19.3. Sum number 21. Integration sin 4x by cos x dx. So integration sin 4x. 4x means 2 into 2x. So sin 2 into 2x by cos x. Now sin 2x का फॉर्मूला होता है 2 sin x cos x. यहाँ पर x की जगह 2x है, so 2 sin 2x cos 2x by cos x. Again 2 sin 2x. Now sin 2x का फॉर्मूला again same फॉर्मूला 2 sin x cos x. पहले यहाँ से 2 था, so 2 into 2 then sin x cos x. Now cos x cancel out, so it will be 2 outside and here 2 sin x cos 2x. Now 2 sin x cos 2x. So here you can apply this formula, 2 cos A sin B. Okay, 2 cos A sin B. That is the formula of sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So sin A plus B means 2x plus x, so 3x. Then sin A minus B means 2x minus x, so it will be x. So 2, now separate this one, integration sin 3x dx minus 2 integration sin x dx. So it will be minus 2 by 3 cos 3x, then minus minus plus 2 cos x c. Next one, sum number 22. Okay, so here sum number 20, 21, 22, all are the most important sum in your exercise and it's a little bit lengthy problem also. So please listen carefully and try to understand what I am saying. So here integration 22, integration sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. So sin 2x and sin 3x, okay, to adjust 2 here half. So sin x into 2 sin 3x, sin 2x. So for this you can apply this formula, 2 sin A sin B, and the formula is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So it will be cos A minus B. A minus B means 3x minus 2x, so cos x, then minus, so minus cos A plus B, so 5x. So you can write them first, cos x minus cos 5x. Next you can separate this one, so half into minus sin x cos 5x, then half into sin x cos x. Now minus here you can again adjust 2, so 2 sin x cos 5x, here 1/4. Okay, half into half, so 1/4. Here you can adjust by 2, so 2 sin x cos x, here also 1/4. यहाँ पर 2 लाना है इसलिए यहाँ पर मैं 1/4 डाल दिया. Now minus 1/4, 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so that means here 2 sin A cos B. Formula sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, So that will be sine 6x minus sine 4x. Here also 2 sin x cos x. The formula 2 sin x cos x that equal to sine 2x. So 1 by 4 sine 2x. Now minus 1 by 4 separate integration sine 6x minus minus plus 1 by 4 integration sine 4x. Here also sine 2x integration minus cos 2x, as here x coefficient 2, so that's why in the denominator also 2. So minus 1 by 4 cos 2x by 2. So it will be now integration sine 6 means minus, so minus minus plus 1 by 4 cos 6x by 6. Here integration sine 4x, it's minus, so minus 1 by 4 cos 4x by 4. Then minus 1 by 8 cos 2x, as 4 into 2 8 plus c. So final answer cos 6x by 24. Then minus cos 4x by 4 into 4 16, and then cos 2x by 8 plus c. Sum number 21 1. Integration sine to the power 6x. Now sine to the power 6 means sine square x whole cube. Okay, and as you know, the sine square a formula will be 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay, that means 2 sine square equal to 1 minus cos 2a. So sine square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So here sine square x means 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole cube. Now 2 ka whole cube 1 by 8, so 1 by 8 as constant, keeping outside. So here 1 minus cos 2x whole cube. So that means here you can apply the formula a minus b whole cube. The formula will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square. That means 1 square b plus 3ab square. So here 1 minus, now cos cube 2x. Cos cube 2x, you can write this in this way, cos 2x into cos square 2x. That will be also cos cube 2x. Here 3 into cos 2x, then plus 3 cos square 2x. Now 1 minus cos 2x. Now cos square 2x, as cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Remember that. If here is a, then it will be 2a. It's double. So cos square a equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 4. As here 2x, so it will be 1 plus cos 4x. So 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Here minus 3 cos 2x, again same formula, 3 into 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Now if 2 will be the LCM, if 2 will be the LCM of this one, so 2 multiplied with 8, it becomes 16. Now 2 into 1, 2, then minus, it's 2, here minus, as denominator 2, so it will be cos 2x, and then minus plus minus minus cos 2x into cos 4x. That means here cos 2x multiply with this one, cos 2x into 1 cos 2x into cos 4x minus cos 2x cos 4x. Here denominator 1, so 1 into 2, that means 3 into 6, so 6 cos 2x. Again here also denominator 2, so numerator will be same. So here 3 multiply with this one, 3 into 1 3, 3 into cos 4x dx. Now 1 by 16, and as here 5 minus 7 2x. Okay, in the previous one there will be a 1 3 and 1 2, so it will be 5, then minus 7 2x. Okay, 7 cos 2x, as they are minus cos 2x and minus 6 cos 2x, so that's why 7 cos 2x. After that plus 3 cos 4x, then minus cos 2x cos 4x. Okay, now next 1 by 16, 5 minus 7 2x, 3 cos 4x. Now here cos 2x cos 4x, so you can also multiply with 2, so to adjust these two you can here multiply with half, and half cos 2x, sorry, 2 cos 2x cos 4x. That is the formula of 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a cos b का formula cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. That means cos 6x plus cos 2x. Again, as here 2 is the, if 2 will be the LCM, then 2 multiply this one 32, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 7 14, 2 into 3 6, and then here minus cos 6x plus minus cos 2x. So 1 by 32 10, cos 2x, so 14 and 1 15, 6 cos 4x minus 6 cos x. Okay, now we have to integrate this one separately. So 10 integration dx, it will be 10x. Then 15 integration cos 2x sin 2x by 2. 6 integration cos 4x, so 6 into sin 4x by 4. Then integration cos 6x sin 6x by 6. So now 1 by 32 multiply with this one, So 10x by 32, then here 15 and 2 into 32 64, so 15 by 64 sin 2x. Here 6 and 4 cancel out, 3 by 2, 2 multiply this one 64, so 3 by 64 sin 4x. And the last one 6 into 32 192 sin 6x plus c. So final answer 5x by 16 minus 15 by 64, 3 by 64 sin 4x minus 1 by 192 sin 6x plus c. Next one, sum number 21(2). Integration sin 4x cos square x. Now sin to the power 4x means sin square x, then cos square x. So sin square x will be here, and if you multiply this one with 2, so it will be 2 sin x cos x whole square. As here 2 square means 4, so to adjust this 4, here keeping 1 by 4 outside. So 1 by 4 sin square x. Now 2 sin x cos x, formula will be sin 2x. As here square, so sin square 2x. Now next, sin square x into sin square 2x. What is the formula of sin square? Formula of sin square that equal to sin square x that equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. That is the formula of sin square x. So 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Here sin square 2x. That means if here 2, then it will be 4. So 1 minus cos 4x by 2. Now 2 into 2 and 4, it's become 16. So 1 minus cos 2x multiply with 1 minus cos 4x, and you will get this one, 1 minus cos 4x minus cos 2x plus cos 2x cos 4x. Now next, first one will be same, second one same, third one same. But the fourth one, here you can again apply the formula, multiply with 2. So 2 cos x 4x, that means half. So half into 2 cos 4x cos 2x, that means 2 cos a cos b formula. The formula will be cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So half will be there. Now here the LCM will be 2. So that 2 multiply with 16, it becomes 32. Now 2 into 1, 2. 2 into cos 4x, 2 cos 4x. 2 into cos 2x minus 2 cos 2x. Here plus cos 6x plus cos 2x. Okay. So here 2x and 2x minus 2 cos 2x plus cos 2x, so it will be only minus cos 2x. Now you can integrate separately. So here 1 by 32. Now 2 integration dx, it will be 2x. Then again 2 integration cos 4x sin 4x by 4. Then minus integration cos 2x sin 2x by 2. Then plus integration cos 6x sin 6x by 6 plus c. So now here 2 multiply with 32, that means 2x into 1 by 32, x by 16. Okay. Next one, here 2 cancel out with 4, it becomes 2. So sin 4x by 32 into 6, 64. Then sin 2x by 32 into 2, 64. And the last one 6 into 32, 192. So sin 6x by 192 plus c. Now the last problem. So if you like my video, please share this video and please keep supporting. And if you are new viewer, please subscribe my channel. So here integration cos mx cos nx. Okay, first one you have to find out the value of this one when m not equal to n. After that you can also find out the value when f equal to n. So if m not equal to n, then it will be multiply with 2. So 1 by 2 keeping outside, 2 into cos mx cos nx. So here you can apply the formula 2 cos a cos b. It will be cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So that will be cos m plus n into x dx plus half cos m minus n x dx. So it will be half sin m plus n x by m plus n, and then half sin m minus n by m minus n plus c. Now the next condition. The next condition is if m equal to n. So if m equal to n, then integration cos mx into cos nx. So instead of n, you can write down m also. So that means cos square mx. So here cos square mx. Now what is the formula of cos square? It will be 1 plus cos 2 mx by 2. Okay, that is the formula of cos square a. 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So now separate this one and you can find out the integration. So half integration dx plus half integration cos 2 mx dx. So So it will be x by 2 plus half, then sin 2mx by 2m plus c. That is the answer.